Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Soleil's Life. In front of me I have the two pieces that I would be working with. This is the front of the top. It has a left side and a right side that after it's going to be constructed, it's going to be joined together. First, I went ahead and I placed a 2-inch elastic. I folded it in half and I placed the pin in there. So it's going to look like this. The pattern is on the wrong side. So what I did, I went ahead and opened up the pattern. This is going to be the right side. I place the elastic onto the tip. Went ahead, take the other tip and placed it right on top the elastic. And now I'm just going to go ahead and pin it down. Now I did this to each point, which is each side of the top has 3 points. So I did the same exact thing on all points, which is going to end up being 6. So I'm going to go ahead now and stitch all the way around the top seam allowance and close everything down. Then I'm going to turn it over to the right side. If there's no opening to the front of the top, then you're just going to go ahead and stitch all the way around, leave at least 1 inch or 2, maybe 2 inches, turn the top over, and you could flat stitch down that 2 inches to close it. So I'm going to go ahead now and stitch all the way around, and I'm going to turn it over on the right side, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after I have stitched the sides and placed the elastic on and I turned it over. So this is the right side of the top. Also what I did, I take a 2-inch strip, a 2x4, I fold each salvage edge in 1/2 inch, and then I placed it onto the front of the top. So this will be the front opening of the top where I turned the top over. So I went ahead and I just pinned it down. So this is what it looks like here, pinned down. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch all the way down where the pins are, and this is going to keep the front salvage edge covered for both pieces of the top. So this is what the top looks like after I've done stitching the salvage edge close. So this is the 2-inch strip that I placed. I placed a metal hoop in silver in the middle to keep the two tops, to join the tops together. If you don't have a hoop, you could use strings or elastic. And here we have, so this is the finished top. So all I need to do is put the strap to the back of the top and it will be complete. So here you are, the finished top without the straps.